Now back to our, okay, let me check. Okay, fun house reviews. Okay, so we are now back to, yeah, we are now back to our old term. Okay, yeah, so as I said earlier, you can go for the other one, you can go for this one, but I'll do a video on the other one. Okay, what is the template and how to edit them. Okay, how you can edit them to suit, in fact, what you want. Now we would love to customize it, because when you look at it, you can see the blog is just here and it ends here. Once you have all this space here, the article is just in the middle, small in the middle, and that is not nice. You have to extend it to both sides so that it will be nice. Okay, so let's get here. We just go to terms and then click on customize. Click on customize. So we don't need a background image for now, but you can decide to add a background image. Okay, image in the background. You can add a color too. Okay, yes, but I don't. Let me check. If we add this color, so you see, you can decide to add a color to make it stand. Okay, but I think your white is okay. Oh, okay. You can also add any of these colors. Okay, business, food and drinks. If your blog is about diet, okay, you can use food and drinks images from here. You can make it stand, okay. Health and beauty. If your blog is about health and beauty, you can come here. Hobby, celebration, businesses. You can do that, okay. So let me just go up from this place, because already videos are so much, okay. It's still loading. No, no, no. Yes, want this to load fast so that we can move on. Okay, let me click done. So, okay, now you can look through the image you are okay with. You can use it. Okay, so you can see it on that. Okay, that is just this. So reset background and color to 10 default. Okay, now we are going to adjust the width. That is what we wanted to do. Okay, but I can see here it's fixed correctly, but when we go to the other side it doesn't. So the left bar in type blog is 9. Type blog, so let's make it like this and see. Let me use this. Okay, and then what again? So 1311 of 150. Then let me bring it to 1000, because both sides will be 180 180. Okay, I want it to fix something like here. It's okay. 180 pixel. It's also not bad. Right, it's 180. Okay, let me check the layout. The layout is already chosen. So let's save this up and check it again if it's still small in the middle like you. So let's get back to here and then refresh the page. So you can see we have moved far better than the first one. Okay, if we still want to move, we can. If we still want to move to the other side, because we still have up to here. Meanwhile, this is, so I can increase it again. Let's get here. Let's save and then come here. So we have gone a bit far. Can we go again? Yes. Let me come this way. We haven't saved it. Okay, so here we can actualize it. Bam. So I think it is okay now. Now what can we do again? Here I could see, or I can see that the sidebar is so small. This means that when the ad shows here, it's going to bypass this line. So we have to bring it a bit here like this. Okay, let's bring it a bit there. Let's increase it. Okay, so let me bring it 250, 230. It's okay. Yeah, let's save this up and check it if it's okay. Sorry, this is 250, 220. Okay, and let's save it. So let's get to your blog. Bam. So you can see we can write from here up to here. Okay, this one is bigger. This one isn't much bigger like I was expecting. Okay, you can see here is bigger, here is smaller. So left and right. Okay, let's make it 200, 200. So the left is 236. Let's make it 200, 205. Okay, 205, 205. Let's save it. Let's come here and refresh. So 205, 205. I just have the impression this place is oh, okay. I needed to. Okay, but I think it's nice. Okay, but if we need to move this and this, well, not much distance, so it's okay. Or else we can reduce this a bit to cover that up. Okay, so you can work on your blog the way you want it, the way you want it, whatever you want to do. So you can see everything in here. No need to display that much. Everything is here, so people can see clearly on your blog. If you have ads here, they can see it without the need to move the cursor left and right. Okay, so now that it is done, we can move to the next one, which is what I think we are done with creating, how to create the blogs. Okay, and then this place to, you know what you can do here, because here is reserved for the ads. Okay, you can add banners here, your profile, search the blog. Okay, and we have already done here. Now we have here. So what is left now is to talk about how to add the content. Okay, how to add content, how to write articles. Yes, how you can write your articles, how to write them. Okay, and I'll be using some cool examples that you can easily learn with it. Okay, and I was able to add the comment. Yes, I don't know if I was able, because here it shows that no comment. Okay, no comment, but and then we can be able to share it to, okay, through mail, blog this, Twitter, Facebook, then Pinterest over here. So no comment, but I'm sure one can be able to add a comment, post a comment. Okay, so if someone comes here, the person can be able to post a comment over here. Okay, but for the meantime, there's no comment under this. This is just an article we've written. Okay, I'll teach you how to write your articles, how to write them. Okay, so we'll just end here, and for a beautiful blogger template, you know where to get them. Okay, so I'll do a video on that one too, how you can work on them